Hello all, welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. For whoever new to our channel, our store is located in Chennai, Mandaveli. The walk-in is also there. You can walk into our store on from Monday to Saturday from 10:30 to 8:30 p.m. Otherwise, you can do an online shopping either. In today's video, we are going to see some lovely collections of Manipuri Kota saree, thread weaved Chanderi sarees, jute silk embroidery sarees, very unique different collections, all from the Banarasi weave. Going to be classic beautiful collections, going to be a function wear sarees or the upcoming festive season, so it's all going to be some rich variety of sarees. All the sarees which we are going to show you today will require only simple hand wash for these kind of sarees. To purchase these sarees, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848-51299. I repeat, it's 93848-51299. Without fail, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. Come on, let's start seeing the sarees now. A very pretty Kota saree in that a nice thread work design. Both the sides are thread border, and throughout the body we have a nice thread embroidery running throughout the body, thread weaving, sorry. And it's a Kota saree, so it will be slightly transparent, but it's a mixed Kota. This is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse of the saree is this, and the price of the saree is 1,280. A very pretty sandal color Kota saree with a nice thread border on both the sides, and throughout the body beautiful thread weaving running along the body of the saree. Really a class pieces, looks so elegant. Easy maintenance saree, it's all mixed cotton varieties. This is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse of the saree is a jacquard blouse, and the price of the saree is 1,280. A very pretty peach color Kota saree with nice thread border on both the sides, with a lovely thread weaving running throughout the body of the saree. Classic design, very neat, clean designs. And the pallu of the saree is this rich pallu. The material is really soft, and the pallu of the blouse of the saree is this, and the price of the saree is 1,280. A beautiful yellow color Kota saree with nice thread border on both the sides. Lovely pattern of thread weaving running throughout the body. Classic design, beautiful designs. And the pallu of the saree is this, a rich pallu in thread weave. And the blouse of the saree is this, and the price of the saree is 1,280. A nice Manipuri Kota saree with zari pattern design, both the sides zari border, with a lovely paisley running throughout the body. A small floral paisley running throughout the body of the saree in zari woven. And this is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse of the saree is this, and the price of the saree is 1,230. In the same pattern, this is a very nice peach color with zari woven design in the Kota saree. All Manipuri Kota, very soft materials. So this is how the body looks, very pretty paisley running throughout the body. And the pallu of the saree is again a rich pallu with a nice plain blouse. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1,230. The next color in the same pattern is going to be nice Ananda blue, light blue. Looks really pretty. This is the body of the saree, lovely color combo, and this is the pallu of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1,230. The next is going to be a nice aqua green, beautiful shade of aqua green with lovely zari pattern design on the borders. Lovely pattern. This is the body of the saree, and the pallu of the saree is this, and the price of the saree is 1,230. A very pretty peach color Kota saree with lovely zari borders on both the sides, with a nice paisley design, peacock motif running throughout the body in zari woven pattern running throughout the body, which makes the saree look really rich and grand. This is the pallu of the saree, which is very rich, and the blouse of the saree is this, and the price of the saree is 1,390. In the same pattern, it's a nice aqua green shade in the Kota saree with lovely peacock paisley design, zari woven pattern running throughout the body of the saree. This is the body of the saree, a very rich saree. You can wear it for any functions. This is the pallu of the saree, and this is the body of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1,390. The next is going to be a beautiful blue sky blue or more of a light ramar blue shade. Classic colors, very beautiful colors. This is the body of the saree, and the pallu of the saree is again a very rich pallu. And the next the next shade is a nice peachish pink. This is more of a peachish pink, dual shade. This is the body of the saree, very rich and grand sarees. And this is the pallu of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1390. A nice pink color Kota saree, both the sides thread woven border with edging in green, and throughout the body a beautiful paisley running throughout the body in manga peg design, all completely thread weave, very neatly designed, neatly weaved. Even you can see the back side, it's so neat finish. And the pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse of the saree is a rich blouse in jacquard, and the price of the saree is 1470. A nice yellow color Kota saree with thread woven pattern. Both the sides it's a thread woven border with a piping border in the edges. A beautiful paisley running throughout the body of the saree. And the pallu of the saree is this, a rich pallu with a nice beautiful rich blouse. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1470. A nice light orange Kota saree with thread woven pattern on both the sides, with a nice piping border, small piping border in green, and throughout the body we have a beautiful design running throughout the body of the saree, a small leafy pattern design running throughout the body, all thread woven pattern. And the pallu of the saree is this, with rich pallu and tassels, and the blouse is also completely thread woven pattern. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1470. It's a nice dark onion peel shade Kota saree with nice zari borders on both the sides, with the mango paisley running throughout the body of the saree in zari woven. Very rich saree. And the pallu of the saree is this, a rich zari pallu, the nice rich zari blouse, and the price of the saree is 1390. In the same pattern, it's a nice pink color with mango paisleys running throughout the body. Beautiful zari woven design. These sarees are very beautiful and nice festive collections. We are getting beautiful festive collections this time. Working with lots of weavers. These are all from Banaras. And this is the pallu of the saree, a rich pallu. And the price of the saree is 1390. These are all hand weaving also. Very intricate designs. This is a very pretty green with pink color combination in the same pattern, paisley design. This is the body of the saree. Looks really class, beautiful. And the pallu of the saree is this in the Kota, and the price of the saree is 1390. The next is going to be nice peachish orange with pink color combination in the border, completely zari woven design, very soft material. This is the body of the saree, classic patterns. And the pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse is a jacquard blouse for these sarees, rich jacquard blouse, so you don't need to work on the blouses also. The next is going to be a nice light mango yellow with pink combination. This is the body of the saree, nice light mango yellow with pink combination. So this is the body of the saree, beautiful design, lovely combo. And the pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse of the saree is again a rich contrast blouse in pink, and the price of this saree is 1390. A nice Chanderi saree, in that a beautiful thread woven pattern. Both the sides we have a nice small thread woven pattern, and the border in the bottom part is a big border with a leafy pattern design running throughout the bottom part of the saree, and on the top part it's a very small paisley running throughout the body, light brown shade, very classic unique color. And the pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse of the saree is a nice rich blouse. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1470. This is a nice light blue color Chanderi saree with thread woven pattern on both the sides, a beautiful long border on the bottom part of the saree, and a nice paisley running throughout the body of the saree. A classic design, beautiful design. This is the body of the saree, and the pallu of the saree is a rich pallu, and the blouse of the saree is a nice rich blouse, and the price of the saree is 1470. A nice elaichi green Chanderi saree with thread woven pattern in white design in both the sides of the saree. A beautiful long border pattern on the bottom part, and above that we have a nice paisley running throughout the body of the saree. A classic rich design looking really nice, and the pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse of the saree is this, and the price of the saree is 1470. A nice light green color combination Chanderi saree with thread border on both the sides of the saree, and a lovely pattern of design running throughout the body of the saree. Bottom part a bigger design, and on the top we have a small design, classic design. And the pallu of the saree is a rich pallu with tassels, and the blouse of the saree is this, and the price of the saree is 1470. A very beautiful Chanderi saree in that a very pretty thread weaving completely. It's completely an embroidery pattern. Both the sides we have a nice thread weaving border, and throughout the body we have a beautiful paisley running throughout the body. On the top part you have this design completely. On the inside part you have the design in the bottom alone like this. On the top part fully you'll have this design, and the pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse is a beautiful jacquard blouse. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1970. A very pretty Chanderi saree in that a lovely embroidery. Both the sides you could see a nice thread border with a small paisley of blue color in the design. Very pretty design, and throughout the body it's a beautiful embroidery running throughout the body. On the top part you have this. On the bottom part, like when you wear it like this, the bottom part alone you will have the embroidery only in the bottom and not in the top. So I just want to explain it completely. On the top this part you will have the embroidery fully, and the pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse of the saree is a very pretty jacquard blouse. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1970. A very beautiful off-white with red color combination Chanderi saree. A beautiful thread border on both the sides. You could see it's a nice pretty thread border. You can have a closer look of the border. Very beautiful design, and throughout the body we have a nice embroidery running throughout the body. Makes the saree look so rich. And on the bottom parts you will have the embroidery only on the down, or the upper part will be plain. Very beautiful saree. And the pallu of the saree is this, a rich pallu. The very beautiful contrast jacquard blouse. The design is more like in the border. So this is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1970. This is going to be a very beautiful jute saree in that a nice embroidery. Both the sides we have a thread woven border, and throughout the body it's completely embroidered design running throughout the body of the saree. Lovely design running throughout. And in the bottom part alone the embroidery is there in the lower part of the saree. The upper part alone will not have. The lower part has the design completely, embroidery completely. And the pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse of the saree is a tissue blouse. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1730. A nice wine color shade jute silk saree with thread border on both the sides of the saree, with a lovely embroidery running throughout the body of the saree. Looks really class. On the bottom part the embroidery on the inner side, the embroidery is there in the bottom part of the saree, and on the upper part we have the embroidery fully. And the pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse of the saree is a rich blouse in tissue, and the price of the saree is 1730. A nice green color jute silk saree with thread woven pattern of border on both the sides, with a lovely embroidery running throughout the body of the saree. This is how the saree is, completely embroidery. On the inner part alone the embroidery is there in the bottom part. Very beautiful saree, looks really rich and classy. This is how it looks. And the pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse of the saree is a tissue blouse, and the price of the saree is 1730. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you'd have liked the lovely collections. To purchase these sarees, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848 I repeat, it's 93848 Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.